Let's show you how quick and easy it is to set up your chainless TH205 bale feeder and get feeding round or squirrel bales into beautiful rows. Come and have a look. First up, hitch up your drawbar eye or clevis. Next, put your jack on top of your drawbar. The reason we do that is it's out of the way of the tyre, allowing you to turn extra sharp. Thirdly, come and plug in your hoses. So we've made it super easy. There's two sets of hoses. One is a large hose and one is a small hose. On the hoses, there's identification for plus and minus to make it easy to get them the right way around every single time. So we'll plug the small hoses into one bank and the large hoses into another bank. Once again, the grips just make it super easy to plug in. Moving around here, there's a diverter valve system which puts the large hose to the loading system so you can load the bale when the platform's right down. Then when you lift the platform up, the large hoses then operate the rotors so it's ready for feeding. Once you've got the bale on the platform, you lift that platform up to match up with this white line if you're with square bales, or this one if you're with round bales. So that's a great starting point, and then vary the height depending on the type of the bale from those points. Once you've lifted the platform, then start turning the rotors, and you can turn them as fast or as slow as you want depending on your preference to the size of the windrow or the type of forage that you're feeding. So when you're loading a bale, we've made that super easy. Say you've got a bale in the cradle here, it's difficult to see behind to know how high your loading spears are. So we've created this dial on the front here, which has a 1200, 1600 or 1800 diameter bale marking. So just simply line up the point with each point as to the size of bales you got, and that's your loading system at the correct height. And that's literally all you need to worry about. You could be out there feeding beautiful rows just in a matter of minutes. And the beauty of the chainless system is that if you have ultra tight round bales, it doesn't matter if you've got them loaded in this direction or this direction, it will still feed those out. Just simply lift the platform up a little higher or a little lower depending on the on how tight that bale is. So it's super easy. Give it a crack, and if you need a demo on one of these before you go for a drive, just give us a call.